Let's check in with Storm Watch 12 Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman to give us a look at what our conditions are like outside right now.
Well, those winds have been picking up in the Rogue Valley. That boosted temperatures up into the 50s now in Medford. We were in the low 40s late in the afternoon, but once those winds kicked up, that's when temperatures warmed. But where winds have been pretty calm, look at Grants Pass, 27 degrees. Now, I do expect winds to pick up, and as the precipitation moves in, likely going to stay in the form of rain. Once the winds pick up, we should see those temperatures warm in Grants Pass. But Josh will keep an eye on that for you as we head through the overnight and then into tomorrow morning. Where we're most concerned about snow, though, will be in the Mount Shasta area. Right now, 39 degrees. It's 38 in Klamath Falls, still 50 in Montague, and 53 degrees right now in Brookings. Sustained winds in Montague, 38 miles per hour, gusting over 50 miles per hour. And we will see some more windy weather overnight and into tomorrow. We're by no means done with the wind. Winds out of the south and southeast generally, eventually switching to the southwest tomorrow afternoon across much of the region. Wind advisories you can see here. You can get more information on these as well on KDRV.com, but we're expecting in these wind advisory areas gusts between 40 to as much as 55 miles per hour. Here's the rain lurking just offshore Curry County. We'll see that push in overnight tonight and spread inland. Eventually snow reaching the Mount Shasta area and some rain in Grants Pass. Will bottom out in the 20s, but temperatures should rise overnight. Expect still some pretty windy weather across the region. Here's Stormcast showing that rain moving into Curry County over the next couple of hours, and then here we go into Friday morning, 7 a.m. Notice the snow setting up over the Mount Shasta area. Some of it at times moderate to maybe heavy in some of the higher elevations. So things will be a little bit slippery as you head off to work and school. Some light snow showers along the Cascades, and then we'll keep some spotty rain and mountain snow showers going through tomorrow afternoon. Notice not much making it east of the Cascades, and then things dry out as we move into Friday evening. Here's snowfall amounts. Pretty light totals along the Cascades and Siskiyous, but about 1 to 3 inches in Mount Shasta. But for Black Butte Summit, Snowman Summit, anywhere between 3 to 6 inches of snow is possible, and it will pick upwards of 4 to 8 inches up at the Mount Shasta Ski Park. Crater Lake, Mount Ashland, about 1 to 3 inches, and then some light totals for the Cascade passes along the Diamond Lake area, and then also along 140 through Lake of the Woods. So tomorrow, we will see some windy conditions. We'll get some wet weather moving into the region, but nothing too terribly significant when it comes to travel. When it comes to rainfall, the most beneficial precipitation will be for the coast, coastal mountains, and in the Mount Shasta area where we could see upwards of a ½ an inch or more. But notice Medford, Montague, not seeing much in the way of rainfall, and we won't see much for the east side as well. There's a wetter storm system coming in as we head into Sunday, and with snow levels pretty similar, we do expect accumulating snow for the Klamath Basin, Siskiyou Summit, the Mount Shasta area, but especially along the Cascades, we will see several inches of snow. So expect a little bit more difficult travel throughout more of the region on Sunday with that wetter storm system. We will see some gusty winds with it as well. So pretty wet for this weekend along the coast. Some of that rain will be heavy Saturday, late Saturday on into Sunday. Northern California, more gusty winds into this weekend. We'll get some more rain and snow for Sunday, drying out on your Monday. For the Klamath Basin, we'll get some snow accumulation on Sunday, higher amounts in some of the higher elevations of the east side, but some light totals, at least in the Klamath Falls area. We'll get some more wind and also some snow expected for Sunday, especially through the mountains, drying out on into Monday. And then for the Rogue Valley, more gusty winds tonight into tomorrow, the chance for some showers and some more rain likely on Sunday. Also watching a storm system by the middle of next week.